welcome to our second location. We made it to Miami for our last night and I'm so excited to be staying at the Kimpton Angler'S Hotel in South Beach. How gorgeous is this villa? So we have our own private little living room area. Couldn't get any better than this. Not to mention, there is a bathroom with a full shower, full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We love that. And then we move over here, spiral staircase. I feel like this was really the reason why I chose this room in the first place, but I mean, it's so gorgeous. Everywhere we go, we gotta travel with the Appleton because, you know, shot o'clock. Now I'm gonna take you to the stage. Welcome to the bedroom. So of course, in the bedroom is a king-size bed. It is everything. I am so obsessed with this like chandelier moment that's happening over here. This bed piece is literally perfect. Like, I've been looking at one of these to get for like a coffee table kind of idea, but I love this as like a bed end. It's so great. We have another TV upstairs, which is like, what? And then, oh my god, my favorite moment, the vanity. We have a whole vanity for us. Us girls need this. So this will be my station today. And a full bathroom, of course. This one is a bit smaller than the one downstairs, but it also has a toilet and shower as well. And then we have the closet over here. The closet is really small, but I mean that doesn't really bother me because there's so much other space going on over here. This will have to be my favorite part. We have our very own pool down right outside of our gate. This is like our own private area. Paparazzi's gotta stay out. But yeah, this is our little villa at the Kimpton, and I am just so excited to get started in Miami. This is the first time Bae's in Miami, so we're gonna show him around a little bit and yeah, have some fun. Thank you guys so much for joining.